Hey, hello all, welcome. And today in this video is just one small gadget unboxing video, and it's a computer accessory. What means I have purchased Lenovo D300 wireless optical mouse from Flipkart. Okay, it's just a short video only. Okay, nothing left. And here you can see, here is the wireless mouse, guys. Lenovo 300 wireless mouse, and all of you guys, you already know it lasts up to 12 months battery, and then and it has a 1000 dpi optical sensor is also there, and it's regarding the pointing device resolution, and the range is up to 10 meters. Officially they have climbed from company side. And okay guys, it's just a small gadget unboxing. Okay, I bought this Lenovo 300 wireless mouse at the cost of rupees 685 rupees. I need to test how it is performing. Afterwards I will update in the comment section, in this video comment section itself. Okay, I need to take it out. Let's come on. Here's the receiver. Okay, they are providing one battery also. Oops, I think here I need to remove the stickers and all. Here you can see, here is the mouse. Okay, it's good, decent, pretty nice, and very smooth also, guys. Okay, and I think they have given one battery, that's all. Here is the mouse and the receiver, guys. It's just a small gadget unboxing video only, and I will tell the review after 10 days in the below comment section itself. How was this mouse it's performing. And okay guys, it's just a small video, and if you have any queries or doubts, means just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And okay guys, okay, that's all. I think so. It's just a small gadget unboxing video only. Okay guys, see you in next video, guys, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.